Hi everyone, it's Sinclair here. Today we're at the Hudson in Amberfield and I'm going to show you this beautiful modern 2-bedroom apartment and I'm so excited. Let's go in and check it out. And next to the entrance we also have a visitors parking here, which is very convenient. When you're hosting people, they can all park their cars here. When you enter the apartment, you are welcomed by this beautiful modern kitchen. You have space for your fridge here, washing machine, microwave, oven, and you also have a built-in stove. Let's head over this way to the lounge. So you have space for your L-shaped couch, nice coffee table, and your TV. And this way leads to the first bedroom in the unit. It also comes with a bathroom and some covered space. And let's head over to that side to see the second bedroom. Very spacious. You have some space for your study table, and it also comes with a bathroom too and some covered space. Let's head over to the balcony. This is a very spacious balcony and you have the views of the complex. Very lovely and very quiet, This is value for money. Very stunning. And we're not done with the tour yet. Let's go and have a look at the clubhouse that the security complex offers. This security complex offers a clubhouse which is very lovely. And we have two bright areas this side, and the middle is the space where you can marinate your meat. And let's go inside the clubhouse. So it's very open, very spacious. You have your built-in bar over there, you have your basin over there, so you can use this space to also host some people. When you're having a party, you can also have it here. And on the other side you have two bright areas that's also similar to the one that I just showed you. And when you come on this side, we have some swings and a playground for the kiddies, and we also have a swimming pool. This is very lovely. And just to wrap this video up, we're in Amberfield in this beautiful security complex in the Hudson. This is value for money. If you're interested in this property, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us, and we would love to help you on your home finding mission.